Hey guys, welcome to Cute Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Butch from the Rowdyruff Boys. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the face. Let's draw a V-shaped point going up. Then let's curve it out on both sides. And then a large curve underneath. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes. Starting from the top, let's draw two angles going in, leaving a gap in the middle. And then for the end, let's bring it up. Now for the shape of the eyes, let's step in and let's draw a curve down and bring it outwards. Now near the bottom, let's draw another curve going out. Now we're going to continue this line by curving it up near the top corner. Now top and side again, leave a gap, and let's draw another circular curve up. And then one more inside near the top. And then color the middle sections in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move in between and draw the mouth. Let's start with an upside down curve in the center here. And then a curve across the bottom. Then inside, let's draw two lines for the teeth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the hair. Let's start on the top left, and we're going to leave a small gap and draw an angle up. And the same on the right side. Now for the ends, let's curve it back down into the side of the head. Next, at the top, let's draw a curve up and in. And then curve it back down. Now let's draw another set of pieces going up and in. And then two more at the top. And then let's color the hair in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with two angled lines down. And a line across the bottom. Now inside, let's draw the stripes. Let's draw a line across near the bottom. And then two more on top. And then color the stripes in black. Now underneath the body here, let's add the legs. We'll start with two angled lines down on the left and two on the right. And then a line across at the bottom. Now let's close off the feet with a curve. Next, let's hop inside the legs and we're going to draw a line across and then angle it down. And then one more line across in the center. And then color the rest of the legs in black. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's draw the arms. Let's start under the head on the left and let's draw a curve down, around, and back up. And the same on the right side. And then let's add a line across inside for the end of the sleeves. And that's it for Butch. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!